Hello friends, I want to make a tool for you so that you can have a stove in the forest and outside the house. We need this soda can. We cut off the top part. We make several holes on the body for air circulation. One, two, three, four. To make this container more stable on the ground, we put some stones inside the container. We use solid alcohol for this stove. You can see the flames. The heat generated by this device can be utilized in multiple ways. Primarily, it serves the purpose of warming both food and water, making it an essential tool in various situations. Whether you are camping outdoors or facing a power outage at home, this heat source ensures that your meals and beverages remain at a desirable temperature. Additionally, it possesses the capability to fry food, adding to its versatility. Imagine preparing a delicious fried dish even when conventional cooking methods quite absent.
The device possesses an extraordinary capability to fry the song in an aesthetically pleasing manner, as you can clearly observe. Isn't it feasible for you to come over and experience this remarkable phenomenon firsthand? I kindly urge you to turn it off. Let's ensure it is turned off immediately to avoid any potential complications